One trait that's often overlooked that I believe is absolutely essential for any successful team is unshakable determination. And if you think about it, with any goal or objective that you establish as a team, if you have unshakable determination, first of all, when you establish that goal or that objective and you talk about it amongst your team and you make the promise that you're going to achieve it, your brain immediately gets to work on making it real. But let's face it, you're going to run into obstacles. You're going to run into setbacks. If you do not possess that unshakable determination, you'll allow an obstacle or a setback to slow you down or take you out of the game altogether. The character trait has to be among the team, not just you or one other individual on the team. That unshakable determination must be a team character trait. And when you have that, you become unstoppable because there's no obstacle or setback that's going to take you out of the game. And far too often, when I run into teams where they have maybe one superstar, they fail to realize is that not every player on your team can be the star, but every single player can be a star in their own role and their own contribution to the team. And if everybody possesses that unshakable determination, you're going to achieve things that you thought were impossible